In today's video, I will be showing you how to fix the Show Most Used Apps setting if it's disabled or greyed out in Windows 10. So if you have gone to try to enable the Show Most Used Apps option in Windows so that you can have your most used apps displayed at the top of your Start menu, then you may have noticed that it's greyed out or disabled, as mine is here. Luckily, this is a really simple fix. So to do this, you would need to go back to the Windows 10 settings, so right click on the Start menu icon, go onto Settings, then go on to Privacy. You now need to click on General if it's not already selected, and where it says Allow Windows to track app launches to improve start and search results, simply toggle this to On. So if I now go ahead and go back to Personalization, back to Start, as you can see, Show the Most Used Apps is now enabled and I'm able to toggle it to On so that I can display my favourite apps in the top of the Start menu. But that's it for this video. I hope this tutorial did help you. If it did, hit that like button below and subscribe for more computer sluggish tutorials.